Let's talk about where most enterprises are today, still managing traditional on-premises VDI. It's expensive to run, difficult to scale, and frankly, delivers a poor user experience, especially for a workforce that's increasingly remote and mobile. The journey to the cloud workplace starts with simplifying infrastructure. Desktop as a Service, or DaaS, eliminates the need for complex data center stacks by delivering desktops and apps securely from the cloud. But infrastructure alone isn't the whole story. To make cloud work at scale, you need FinOps to manage IaaS costs. Without it, your cloud bill will easily spiral out of control. You also need DEX, a digital employee experience platform, to understand and improve how users actually feel about their environment. And for users who live in SaaS and web apps, why give them a full browser at all? A secure enterprise browser simplifies everything, providing access across devices, even mobile, with policy and protection built right in. Then there's AI, which acts like the connective tissue between all these elements. AI can continuously analyze cost, user sentiment, and security data, and then take action to optimize them in real time. The result is a unified cloud workplace, where DaaS, FinOps, DEX, enterprise browser, and AI work together as an intelligent modern platform. It's cloud-native, mobile-ready, and radically simpler. Companies adopting the cloud workplace are seeing up to 80% cloud reduction, dramatically improved user experience, and seamless access across both desktop and mobile. It's not just a replacement for VDI, it's a leap forward.